Question 1. Which animal gives both milk and lays eggs? A camel, B. Owl, C. Cat, D. Platypus. Correct answer, D. Platypus. Question 2. How many bones are there in the human nose? A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 8. Correct answer. A. 2. Question 3. Which country has blue-colored roads in some areas? A. India, B. Qatar, C. China, D. Japan. Correct answer, B. Qatar. Question 4. Which plant bears fruit only once in its lifetime? A. Mango, B. Blackberry, C. Banana, D. Papaya. Correct answer, C. Banana. Question 5. Which color is universally used to signal stop? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Black. Correct answer, a. Red. Enjoying this challenge? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Question 6. Which fruit is believed in traditional remedies to help neutralize certain toxins? A. Mango, B. Lemon, C. Banana, D. Tamarind. Correct answer, D. Tamarind. Question 7. Which bird is famous for never losing its way home? A. Pigeon, B. Parrot, C. Owl, D. Cuckoo. Correct answer, a. Pigeon. Question 8. Which is the fastest working organ in the human body? A. Ear, B. Eye, C. Brain, D. Nose. Correct answer, C. Brain. Question 9. Which country has extremely strict penalties regarding alcohol consumption? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. Israel. Correct answer, D. Israel. Question 10. In which country can the sun be visible at midnight during summer? A. India, B. Norway, C. China, D. Singapore. Correct answer, B. Norway. Question 11. The Golden Temple is located in which Indian city? A. Agra, B. Jaipur, C. Chandigarh, D. Amritsar. In Amritsar. Question 12. What color is the wheel Ashoka chakra in the Indian national flag? A. White, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Saffron. Correct answer, B. Blue. Question 13. In which country is the sport of mobile phone throwing played? A. India, B. Germany, C. Finland, D. Singapore. Correct answer, C. Finland. Question 14. Which creature is believed to hold its breath while running? A. Rat, B. Ant, C. Scorpion, D. Lizard. Correct answer, D. Lizard. Question 15. In which country has the five suns optical illusion phenomenon been reported? A. Japan, B. China, C. Congo, D. Russia. Correct answer, B. China. Question 16. What does the idiom snake in the sleeve mean? A. Deceitful friend, B. A good friend, C. A brave person, D. A pet lover. Correct answer, A deceitful friend. Question 17. Which player is nicknamed Mahi? A. Virat Kohli. B. MS Dhoni. C. Virender Sehwag. D. Rohit Sharma. Correct answer. MS Dhoni. Question 18. What is the average lifespan of a mosquito? A. 12 days. B. 18 days. C. 28 days. D. 21 days. Correct answer. A. 12 days. Question 19. What does the idiom "cut someone's ears" mean? A. To be foolish. B. To be humble. C. To be clever. D. To be earless. Correct answer. C. To be clever. Question 20. The earliest human ancestors are believed to have originated on which continent? A. India. B. China. C. Africa. D. Pakistan. Correct answer. C. Africa. Final question for you. The Taj Mahal is located in which Indian city? A. Agra. B. Jaipur. C. Udaipur. D. Amber. Comment your answer below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily brain boosting challenges.